phone call right when it happened, so when I'm filming on my phone, I lose the footage. Like, I have it, but I can't continue on. So, yeah, this is kind of a scary ride, but hey, it's kind of a pretty view. I took a picture, which will be up on my Instagram, of the view while we're driving down the road here. And yeah, because I'm here with my dad. We were just coming back from Olds, and the car was running just fine. There was no issues, and then all of a sudden, just bam. And it's, can't smell anything. It's not, you don't see any smoke out the back. And if my coolant gauge worked, I don't think it's overheating either, so I'm a little clueless on this one. And like when I pulled the dipstick, like it wasn't milkshake or anything, so it's not that. I do have that extra motor that I was planning on selling, but I might just have to put in this car anyways. So yeah, we'll see. And like in the gauge right now, I'd show you guys, but I'm driving. It's it keeps bouncing back between the first part of the normal on the gauge down to low again, and back and forth like that. So
yeah, not great.
oh god, that noise. Yeah, oh yeah, I know, we're like right there. I can damn near coast it there. Damn near.
Coast down the hill anyways.
Yeah. I'd be tempted to do that, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, it's not a nice sound right now.
No, it's not pretty. It is not pretty one bit. And I'm not exactly excited to see, because who knows what this could be, you know? The cam might be eating itself right now. Might be the cam bearings, like not the cam bearings, but the bearings for the connecting rods might be going. Who knows? And this thing, yeah, it was running just fine. Didn't sound bad. Like, don't get me wrong, I could, did it just? I kind of hesitated there for a second.
We're almost done.
I know, it's right there. It's right there. So you guys get to see that picturesque view that I told you about when it's sunset. Coming down this hill.
Yeah, she sounds a little rough.
Yeah, it's not pretty. Come on, girl. Just a little ways. Please don't blow your motor. Yeah. Can you guys hear that? Like, I hope you guys can, because, yeah. That is, and I've never experienced this in a car. Not once. So, haven't been driving for that long, mind you, but still. Even when I've been a passenger in my dad's vehicles.
The Eagle didn't sound this bad when it went though.
Well, that's because it's time-built. So, it just immediately sees that.
No, it took a while.
Oh, did it? Okay.
Oh, yeah, Alex drove it quite a while before it died.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah, it went from High River to coming down the hill past Nobleford turnoff.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Yeah, because we had an Eagle Vision TSI back in the day. Really cool car, actually. Fast, too. They had a 3.5 with about 250 horsepower. Didn't weigh anything.
No, it sounds fine.
Okay, that's weird. Yeah, and the oil pressure just came back up, but now it sounds fine.
What if it doesn't like speed?
It might not be liking speed.
Weird.
Ah, well,
that makes no sense.
That's an interesting gremlin for sure. Well, now the oil pressure is trying to drop again. So
between the sensor and I don't know if there's an oil pickup problem, maybe.
It might be, yeah. Like, I think it's oil starvation. Well, when I park it up, I'm gonna grab the camera.
Here, let me out.
Well, you can.
Oh, can I get out there?
Yeah, you can. You can. Don't worry about that. Yeah, it still doesn't sound pretty.
No.
is I'll take you guys. Press the power button. See, and it sounds pretty okay now, actually. Like that. Yeah, there's definitely some top end noise now, though. I don't know. Well, that's gonna wrap up this point of view video, I suppose. I'll give you guys updates when I know more about it. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hope to God my motor's not blown up. Okay, bye. Pikachu.